If you are looking to grow your wealth, look no further. Here are some of my most important investment tips. The first tip, and often the most overlooked, is to start early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested early can snowball over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Time is one of your greatest assets when it comes to investing. Tip number 2 is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and crypto are all good investment vehicles. Diversifying reduces risk and smooths out market volatility. A well-diversified portfolio is the key to long-term stability. Tip number 3 is to invest for the long term. Patience is absolutely key when it comes to investing. The market goes up and down, but over time it trends upward. Invest with a long-term mindset. Think decades, not days or months. Resist the temptation to make quick decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Tip number 4 is to always do your own research. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Always research before investing in anything. Understand the companies or assets you're putting money into. Look at financial reports, industry trends, and the overall market. Don't rely on rumors or tips from unreliable sources. Your own research is your best investment tool. Last but not least, don't fear market fluctuations. Markets will rise and fall. That's part of the game. Don't panic during market downturns. Instead, stick to your strategy and stay calm. The market always recovers, but you have to be patient. Here is a bonus tip for you, which is to automate your investments. Set it and forget it. Automating your investments ensures consistent contributions. You'll invest without thinking about it. It also takes the emotion out of investing. Consistency is key when building wealth. Always invest in what you understand. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Stick to what you know. Invest in industries or companies you're familiar with. This way, you can make better decisions and spot opportunities. The more you know, the better your investments will be. Make sure you are regularly reviewing your portfolio. Investment strategies aren't set in stone. Reassess your portfolio regularly. Make sure your investments still align with your goals. Rebalance if necessary to stay on track. This helps you adjust to market changes and personal life changes. Understanding the power of compound interest will be your greatest friend. Compound interest is your secret weapon. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows. Interest earns interest, creating exponential growth. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. It can turn small investments into big returns over time. Always remember to invest in yourself. Your knowledge and skills are valuable assets. Consider investing in education or learning new skills. Personal development can increase your earning potential. The more you invest in yourself, the higher your returns will be. Always keep growing.